What's up, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Today, quick video on a new Chevy Tahoe we traded in that we just got in for sale. It's a 07 167 four-wheel drive, third-row seat, fully loaded LTZ with navigation and a sunroof. Obviously, it's lifted. There will be a full description on my website. So if you go to the website, you'll see all the individual upgrades that's been done to the truck. So here's just a quick shot of it in person. So beautiful, beautiful truck. It was originally out of Florida. It stayed in Florida for the majority of its life. Then it came to Virginia. So you'll see as the pictures that you see online, up underneath the truck, rust-free, no issues. Frame's clean as can be. You can see the interior. Interior is still in very good shape as well. A couple small things here and there that you'd expect on an 07. Captain's chairs as well. Rear entertainment for the little kiddos. Anyway, again, 2007 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to price this one super fair so it sells quick. So make sure you jump on the website, check it out. Again, 07 Tahoe, 167,000 original miles. We just fully serviced it. Mechanically, super, super nice. Drives like new. Full list on the description. You'll see all the stuff we did mechanically to it as well. Again, 2007 Chevy Tahoe. This truck's now ready for sale. Just got finished up.